Hello my friends, David Kessler here and welcome back to the studio. If you're an artist and have a website, you've probably encountered art scams. They're alive and well. I probably get one email a week trying to bilk me out of my artwork for no money. I'm sure most of you have experienced this. This video really is for those that haven't. It's a prevalent problem. I mean, the emails typically are easy to spot, and let me give you an example of what they typically say. Here's one I received recently. Top of the morning to you. And here's the part that's always consistent. I actually observed my wife has been viewing your website on my laptop, and I guess she likes some of your art piece. I must also say you are doing a great job. I would like to know what inspired the work. I am very much interested in the purchase to surprise my wife. Kindly confirm the availability for immediate artwork for sales. That one's easy to spot, and there's hundreds of variations of that. But those two lines in there, I actually observed my wife. You know it's a scam as soon as you hear that, because that's a typical line that almost all of them use. And it used to be that you would just get an email, but now I've found that they actually go to your website, they actually go to my website anyway, fill out the contact form to make it seem more legitimate, and then of course I get the information from my website provider, which is Squarespace. They send me an email, you know, with the note from written from the website contact form. You know, and they try to get more sophisticated, but typically here's the way it works. They send you that email, they inquire about artwork, and lots of times what they include on there is a specific painting, and it's always going to be the biggest, most expensive painting on your website. That's the one that they inquire about, which of course gets you the most excited, because oh my God, somebody's interested in, you know, this painting, it's several $1,000s or whatever. That's how they pique your interest. The scam is that they will agree to send you a cashier's check or a bank check, and then you send the artwork. So what happens is, if you get the bank check, you send the artwork, you deposit the check. Of course the check's fake, but it takes your bank a couple of weeks to figure that out, right? So they try to get the money from, you know, the bank that's listed on the bank check, and of course it's fake and it falls through, and then they notify you 2 weeks later, but your artwork's already gone. This actually happened, a variation of this happened to an artist here in our local community last week or a couple of weeks ago. I just saw that she posted it on Facebook, and it was a variation in that someone had inquired about licensing some of her artwork, and she tried to make a contract with them, and they kept, you know, messing around with the contract and never got the contract, and they wanted her to pay some money up front for some sort of you know, legal fees or something that they had to do with regard to copyrights or some stupid crap like that any, you know, reasonable person would know was a scam. But anyway, she sent them money, and then, you know, she sent them the artwork, you know, which was digital or something. But anyway, it's a big mess, and she got taken to the cleaners, right? When she got the check, the bank check, you know, it bounced, of course, and then now she's in a big pickle because she's sent artwork to somebody and money and got nothing in return. You know, it's a typical variation on the same scam. Now, one way that I always know that these are a scam is that they always ask you, number one, is the artwork available? And number two, how do I pay for it? Can I send you a bank check? Well, on my website, I have the prices and the sizes for every painting. And all you have to do is click the button that says put in cart, and you pay for it, and I ship it to you. So I know when they're asking, is it available, and what is the price, and how do I pay for it, that's all covered on the website. So I immediately know that's a scam. Because some of them are a little bit more sophisticated. The wording is different. You know, they ask about the biggest piece, which I always know, that's probably a scam anyway. But as soon as they ask, how do I pay for it? Is it available? Then I know it's a scam, because I put all that stuff on the website. And if it's available, it's not. If it's available, it's on the website. If it's not available, it's not. Right? I don't have sold pieces on there along with my other pieces. So beware when you have a website, you're selling artwork, make sure you have a way for people to pay for it on the site, so you're not taken to the cleaners by people asking about it and asking how to pay for it. If you have a built-in payment system and a built-in shopping cart and all that, you don't have to worry about it. You know they're going to be a scam, and they'll pay for it if they want it from the website. So be vigilant, protect yourself. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to hear more about this kind of stuff, we talk about it in the workshops that I do all across the U.S. You can find a list of those workshops at my website, davidmkessler.com. I'll put a link to that below. I love to spend time painting with you in one of these great locations that I go to. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, share it with your friends. I know some art friends probably need to hear this, and maybe they haven't before, so share it with them. And I hope it was helpful for you, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.